Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
What power units drive their mechanisms, technical characteristics, a brief description of the design of engines ZMZ-405, improved by the manufacturer to the level of -€3, will help owners of vehicles to avoid expensive services of mechanics of specialized services. Possession of such information contributes to a better choice of the most suitable parts needed to carry out repairs with their own hands. Briefly about the structure of the power unit. In 2009, the Design Bureau of the Zvolsky plant began to search for opportunities to improve the motor. The result of the talents of local engineers was updated to meet the requirements of -€3 standards ZMZ-405 engine family. The base unit for the powertrain under consideration is considered to be the 406 series motor, manufactured at the same plant. The new model is characterized by progressive design solutions. The manufacturers have provided for a reduction in the weight of the cylinder head by almost 1.3 kilograms due to the complete dismantling of the idling system. Fixation is carried out by special bolts with a length of 24 mm, taking care of reliable sealing of the cylinder heads and the cylinder block itself. The manufacturers have equipped them with special thermal insulation means, the use of electronic throttle for the internal combustion engine control allowed the designers to get rid of unnecessary components and parts. The idle speed regulator, equipped with air pipes, was irrevocably removed from the device. A similar fate befell the throttle tube, complete with the indicator of the flat position. The updated €405 engine has an extended drive belt, supplemented with a self-tensioning roller. Rigidity of the cylinder block is increased due to crosslots in the cooling system. Change of some indicators of cylinder flat top honing contributes to significant reduction of lubricant consumption for carbon monoxide. When making the motor, the manufacturers took into account the world quality standards, providing their creation with increased reliability. Toxic emission standards are brought to the level of -€3. Performance characteristics. For independent repair of the power plant, a thorough knowledge of the design is not enough. Almost every parameter of the technical features of the unit is also important. The considered engine is characterized by the following indicators. 4-stroke power plant is equipped with 2 camshafts. For them, manufacturers have provided the upper location in the engine compartment. 192 kg motor has 4 cylinders with a diameter of 95.5 mm, each of which is equipped with 4 valves. Working space is designed for a volume of 2.46 liters, cylinders in the engine compartment are placed longitudinally, in one row. The set value of the compression ratio is 9.3. Movement of the piston is characterized by a working stroke of 86 mm, making 5,200 RPM. The power unit reaches a power of 152 horsepower, which corresponds to 111.8 kilowatts. The engine is fueled with gasoline, and the manufacturers recommend using fuel with octane number not lower than 92. The engine is equipped with a liquid cooling system, and the nominal temperature of the coolant is considered to be 110 degrees. In addition to the above characteristics, it should be noted the presence of a specific 3-component catalyst in the design of the unit, allowing the engine to meet the requirements of environmental standards. -€3. Problems inherited to the engine from the predecessor. Since the motor under consideration is, in fact, an improved version of the ZMZ-406, it inherited the weak points of the previous version. Description of the most common of them should be studied in detail. The most problematic place are considered to be the hydraulic tensioners of the timing chain drive. Their frequent jamming prevents timely damping of chain vibrations. Such a malfunction makes itself felt by increasing noise during operation. The chain, which is worse tensioned by the shoe, can jump a tooth over time. In this case, costly repair measures are the only way out. Refinement of the block ducts and improved gasketing, unfortunately, do not guarantee protection of the engine from overheating, to which it has proved to be very prone. The causes are usually remedied by replacing a bad thermostat or correcting faults in the cooling system radiator. Excessive absorption of lubricant by the power unit is due to one of two causes. First, it is unsuitable oil rings or valve seals that cause excessive consumption. Second, it is possible that oil leaks from under the valve cover, and the place of leakage is similar to the 406 engine, uneven idle. And some dips in the operation of the engine indicate malfunction of spark plugs. Installation of new parts to replace unsuitable can completely eliminate the problem. Worn hydrocompensators of thermal gaps manifest themselves by persistent knocking, accompanying the operation of the power unit. The limit of their service life is limited to 50,000 kilometers of mileage. Similar symptoms are characterized by wear of the piston group. You can get rid of the pesky noise effect during engine operation by timely replacement of failed parts. It should be separately mentioned some unpleasant features of the 406 unit, inherited by the motors of the updated series. Among them, not the last place belongs to failures of the electrical system and sensors. In addition, many owners are very stressed by unstable operation of the gasoline pump. Engine assembly is also performed at an insufficiently high level. Recommended ways of tuning: like all Russians, accustomed to enjoying a fast ride, the maximum speed declared by the manufacturer, developed by a car with a factory power unit, is usually not enough. To increase it, you need to increase the power of the engine. Boosting the output of the 405 engine can be accomplished in three ways. Active air intake is installed. The combustion chambers are subjected to specific modifications. Standard parts of the piston group as well as springs, valves, and shafts are replaced with modernized elements. The exhaust system is improved. The output is an updated engine of sporty type. Power increases up to 200 horsepower. Turbocharging. The motor is equipped with an additional compressor. The names of the last two methods are self-explanatory, as they provide comprehensive information. The installation of additional equipment such as a turbine or compressor also helps to increase power. Conclusion. The 405 engine can rightfully be considered a veteran of the domestic motor industry. For many years of impeccable service, he managed to win boundless respect and honor. Due to the extreme simplicity of the design, any car repair shop will undertake its repair. And with proper maintenance and timely elimination of minor problems, the car with this power unit can overcome more than 300,000 kilometers on difficult Russian roads. Probably, that is why most of the GAZ family service vehicles are equipped with this engine. ZMZ-405 Euro engine ZMZ-405 Euro engine ZMZ-405 Euro engine ZMZ-405 Euro engine ZMZ-405 Euro engine. In conclusion, understanding the ZMZ-405 Euro 3 engine's technical characteristics is essential for any motorist looking to maintain or repair their vehicle effectively. With its specific design features and maintenance requirements, having in-depth knowledge of this power unit can significantly aid in selecting the right spare parts and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By familiarizing yourself with the ZMZ-405's capabilities and specifications, you empower yourself to make informed decisions, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you in your automotive journey.